All right, XRP Army, how you doing? Hopefully you are having a good holiday week. For those of you guys here in the States, happy early pre-Thanksgiving, if you will. I know that's not a thing, but hey, just from my family, from me to you, I've got plans to spend some time with those that you love in your life, because ultimately, quite honestly, that's really what it's about. Okay, so there's your little moment of touchy-feely good stuff here with your XRP content. You're like, I didn't know I was going to get that, Austin. Well, there you go. You never know what you're going to get with an Austin video, right? So XRP's next big move. Expert reveals XRP likely next target after correction ends. So we're going to talk about in this, and there's some good stuff here about where we'll see XRP, some possible risk, as well as where we'll see it maybe end up and where it could go. So let's dive into this. So right now, let's take a look at the overall crypto market. Right now, as of the recording, the crypto market's just right at that 3% mark, moving up. We got XRP moving up about 6%, which is nice. On the 1 day, on the 7 day, we're up 28%. And on the 1 month, of course, we know we got that 179+% that nobody thought would happen for XRP. Here's a different view of it. Actually, that massive move really happened in about an 18-day period right there. So see that from that point right there with the green circle all the way to that point, that is a 18-day, 12-hour period. Each candle you see is 4 hours worth of trading data. That's 174%. So put that in perspective, $1,000 bought here and then sold here would have made you a profit of $1,745. By the way, that is my software giving you those perfect buy and sell signals. Okay, so if you're interested in taking that for a test spin, there's a 30-day money back refund guarantee on the software, and it's about $1 a day with that discount code down there. So the link's in the description below. If you're watching this over on X, the link's above me. So give it a look with that 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. Okay, so let's take a look at these levels that this particular analyst says we've got kind of out in our future. Okay, so let me get rid of some of these ads. A lot of ads on this website. So a market analyst has talking about, and he's using wave theory, Elliott wave theory, which I am a huge fan of. I'm just going to move here, right here. This is something that's interesting before we get to that. So during the recent rally, South Korean investors sold around 400 million XRP worth 400 million. This sell-off likely contributed to short-term price pressure, giving up the $1.44, pivotal price. Now, obviously, we've gotten back to that $1.44. Interesting note right there. Okay. Continuing on, kind of the next possible direction. So this particular analyst is Dark Defender over on X, talking about an Elliott wave theory. We're currently in wave C. Okay, this wave has a major support level at $1.28. That's a number you need to know. So we have a major, massive support level at $1.28. Okay, so kind of give you some perspective of that. Right in there is your level. See right there. See this consolidation right here. So he's talking about that kind of consolidation level right there. So that's a support level that's been established. Okay. So if we fail to hold, so i.e. if we drop below that, which I'm not seeing anything major kind of bad on the horizon outside of some kind of escalation event with Russia and Ukraine. That rhetoric, that scenario continues to be what it is and plays out. I'm not minimizing the loss of life and all that kind of stuff. I'm talking about its impact on crypto. Okay. There's really not a lot else right now on the global stage. Yes, I know there's other factors, okay, but nothing really, that cataclysmic or big. Okay, so if we do fall below that $1.28, we could see a $1.03 level. So there's another level. If we go down below that $1.28, it looks like our next level is $1.03. Okay, that's kind of the bad, if you will. That's kind of the bearish scenario. So, but if we once this correction ends, that we are seeing correction end, we're kind of already bouncing up on that 1 day, right? 6+%. That's good stuff. We could rebound to target $1.88. Okay, so $1.88 from where we're at right now is about 44 cents right there. Don't do math in public. It's real hard for me to do simple addition while I'm talking, kind of like chewing gum, talking at the same time. There you go. Okay, so if we get through that, again, per this Elliott wave theory, okay, so then we could see breaking out to our peak of $1.96, and from there on could potentially trigger a run to the highs seen during the 2017-2018 boom, which if we look at that is right here where we saw obviously 250 plus. And the number is actually higher than that. Yeah, 246. Okay, so 246. We're not too far away from that, guys. We're not. We're about, I don't know, $1 away from that. Yeah, it's not a bad day. All right. So there's your levels. There's kind of the next things you need to be aware of. We got $1.28 is our support level. If we break below that, we could see $1.03. That's your bearish scenario. $1.88 is your bullish scenario. If we continue to see the market rise, which the market is rising, and XRP is definitely floating along nicely with it, $1.88 to that $1.96 range. And then from there, boom, that $2.46 range that we saw as the all-time high, that's achievable and to blow right past it. Thanks for giving me a few minutes. I'll see you.